Hello everyone. We are waiting for the dignitaries to join. Please maintain the decorum. We'll be starting shortly.
Mansi, we can start the session.
Yes, okay, Shubham. A very good, a very good evening, everyone, to all the respected dignitaries, guests, delegates, and our beloved students of NIT Meghalaya. We are overwhelmed to have in the ceremony Professor H.C. Das Sir, Dean Student Welfare, NIT Meghalaya, Dr. Amit Kumar Paul, President, Student Activity Center, and Dr. Dibyendu Adak, Vice President, Technical, National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya. Coming to the prize distribution ceremony, talents and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given to all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. Coming to the much awaited moment in every student's life, the prize distribution, as it gives the returns of the efforts put in by the students all through the days of hard work. It is a moment full of joy, a moment of pride and accomplishment, a moment of celebration. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Following the old tradition of our institute, now is the time we acknowledge and encourage the talent of the students for their excellent performance by prize distribution ceremony. The winners list of Robotic Love events. The events were Design Cave, The Treasure Hunt, TechStorm, Tinker Blink, and Cogniton. In the Design Cave event, the first prize goes to Victor Sharma from third year. Second prize goes to Divya Sri Dev and Akshat Jain from second year. And the third prize,
Mansi, sorry, Sorry to interrupt. Shivam, you can present this slide by the side. Shivam or Siddharth.
Yeah, sure.
Siddharth.
Yes, sir, just a second.
Mhm. Okay, Shubham, can we resume?
Yeah.
Okay. So I shall announce the winners of the Design Cave event again. The winners of the Design Cave event are: the first prize goes to Victor Sharma from third year, Divyashree Dev and Akshat Jain from second year, and the third prize goes to Sai Prithvi Naveen Kumar from third year mechanical. In the Treasure Hunt event, the first prize goes to Samarth Verma, second prize goes to Tanisha Kant, and the third prize goes to Divyashree Dev. In the event Tinker Blink, the first prize goes to the team Tinker Ninjas, the second prize goes to the team Circuit Crackheads, and the third prize goes to team Slash Zero. In the event Cognithon, which was open to all, the first prize goes to the team Innovators from NIT Meghalaya. The second prize goes to the team Rising Sun from NIT Kurukshetra, and the third prize goes to the team Flutter Butter from again NIT Meghalaya. Coming to the winners list of Coding Club events, the events were Hack Overflow, Code Utsav, and Hack Mafia. In the event Hack Overflow, the first prize goes to Code Android, the second prize goes to Debug Thugs, and the third prize goes to undefined behavior. There were also the consolation prizes that are given to the team Blue Rockets from NIT Meghalaya and the team Bonnet Tigers again from NIT Meghalaya. In the event Code Utsav, the first prize goes to Keshav Krishna from third year. The second prize goes to Meenakshi Kherel from third year, and again the third prize goes to Roshan Kumar Singh from third year. In the event Hack Mafia, the first prize goes to Ritik Mani Yadav from third year. The second prize goes to Keshav Krishna from third year, and the third prize goes to Samuel Nonko from second year. Coming to the departmental events, the events of various departments were: for CSE, there was Mega Q and Bloodhound. From CSE department, there were Tech Flow and EC Quiz. From the electrical department, the events were Electrotrics and Pictionary. From the civil engineering departments, there was CVQ and Basker Bridge. And from the mechanical engineering department, there was an inertia quiz and load upholder. Coming to the winners of EC departmental events, Tech Flow, the first prize goes to Hitesh Verma, third year. The second prize goes to Akshat Jain from second year. And the third prize goes to Karthikeya Gupta from third year again. Coming to the quiz by electronics department, The first prize goes to Ritika Gudia from third year. The second prize goes to Kartike Gupta from third year. And the third prize also goes to Anjali Kashyap, again from third year, EC department. Coming to the electrical engineering departmental events, for the event Electrotrix, the first prize goes to Ankit Kumar from second year. The second prize goes to Salik Ahmed from third year civil engineering department. And the third prize goes to Satish Kumar from final year electrical engineering department. Coming to the civil engineering departmental events, for the event CVQ, the first prize goes to Suraj Gautam from final year. The second prize goes to Anjali Kashyap, third year electronics department. And the third prize goes to Durga from third year electrical department. The next event by civil engineering department was Baskel Bridge, and the first prize from this event goes to Christy Singhania from second year. The second prize goes to Aniket Kumar, second year, and the third prize goes to Embabling PM from second year. Coming to the mechanical engineering departmental events, the winners of the event Inertia are: the first prize goes to Sai Pradvi from third year. The second prize goes to Kumar Gaurav, second year. And the third prize goes to Balram Sharma, again from second year. For the event Load Upholder by Mechanical Department, the first prize goes to Ayushi Vats from third year. The second prize goes to Salik Ahmed, third year. And the third prize goes to Pardu Mattupalli from second year. Coming to the winners list of gaming events, the events were BGMI, Valorant, and COD. Coming to the first gaming event, Battlegrounds Mobile India, BGMI, the first prize goes to Team DNA from St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School, Shillong. The second prize goes to Team Banzai from NIT Meghalaya. And the third prize goes to Team Existence Esports from MBM Jodhpur. Coming to the second gaming event, Valorant, the first prize goes to OG Popat Esports, MIT of Meghalaya, UTM. And the second prize goes to Trash Gang from Lovely Professional University. Coming to the third gaming event, Call of Duty, the first prize goes to Technophilus from National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya. The second prize goes to OGSF from again NIT Meghalaya. And the third prize goes to Abu Khazar and Co. from St. Edmunds College. So, congratulations to all the winners from Cognitia 2021. Now, I would like to request Professor Harish Chandra Das, Sir, Dean Student Welfare, NIT Meghalaya, to deliver the vote of thanks.
I think Sir didn't join. Sir is a little bit busy. So now what I am telling that to give the vote of thanks by our GS Subham. he will propose the vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. I request our General Secretary Technical, Mr. Shubham Anand, to share his experience of Cognitia 2021.
Yeah, Mansi. So thank you, Mansi, for giving me this opportunity to express my views and thoughts on this closing ceremony 2021 Cognitia. Now I would like to take this opportunity to thank Director Professor Vibhuti Viswan Bishwal, Dean Student Welfare, Professor Harish Chandra Das, President, Student Activity Center, Dr. Amit Kumar Paul, and Vice President Technical, Student Activity Center, Dr. Devendu Adak, who believe that we can conduct this Cognitia via this online mode. Also, I would like to thank General Secretary to Technical, Mr. Alok Dwivedi, Member Technical, Core Team, and the conveners of Coding Club and Robotics Club for their continuous support and valuable suggestions which helped this Cognitia team to make this event possible. At last, I would like to thank each and every coordinators, co-coordinators and dear participants for the great spirit that they showed during this whole Cognitia. Thank you guys. Thank you for the participation and all. Special thanks to Dr. Adak sir for assisting us every time and solving all the problems that we faced during this Cognitia. Special mention to Satyendra sir, faculty in charge, Computer Center, for providing us with all the equipments and supporting us during this Cognitia week. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Shubham. Now I would like to request Dr. Dibyendu Adak Sir, Vice President Technical, to declare Cognitia 2021 closed.
Okay, thank you all for joining this closing ceremony. Now I declare that our annual Technical Fest Cognitia 2021 closed.
Thank you very much, sir. So, coming to the end of our story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable and a memorable event. On behalf of the entire Cognitia team, we sincerely thank the dignitaries for being with us this evening and enlightening us with their enthusiastic remarks. I shower my heartfelt gratitude to the professors of NIT Meghalaya for their wholehearted support in these COVID times. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and a fun-filled evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mansi.
Okay.
I guess we can stop the recordings and all. And
Yeah. Everyone is requested if they want, they can.